Pink or blue? Let's decorate gender reveal baby bottle cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Today we'll be decorating the bottle in this adorable gender reveal cookie set. All of the supplies are listed in the description, so you can decorate along with me. I'm starting out by just scratching a line separating where the top of the bottle is from the bottom, and then I'm grabbing my white royal icing in about a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to touch down and lift up my piping bag away from the cookie and follow along the edge and drop my line of icing right along that edge. I'm watching where my line of icing is falling and not my piping bag. And as I get to the end, I'll stop squeezing and lay my line down. And I'm going to use the exact same icing to flood this cookie in. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. Instead, I'll use my scribe to get the icing out to the edges. Just use little circular motions to move the icing and then give the cookie a little shake and set it aside to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to use a projector to project the little question marks at the bottom of the cookie here. If you don't have this, you can just eyeball it, or you can use the tissue paper method, and I'll link that tutorial in the description. I'm using a 15 to 20 second royal icing here, and I'll just pipe these on, and then I'll turn off the projector and use my scribe to shape them a little bit more. I'm going to do this to both question marks, and be sure you clean off your scribe before you change colors. And then I want the point at the bottom of the question mark to be a heart shape, so I'm just going to take a little bit of icing from my piping bag using my scribe and make 2 dots at the bottom of each question mark, and then use my scribe to drag them into a heart shape. And I did that for both colors. And then I came up to the top to start piping the cap. I'm going to make my cap blue, and I'm just going to outline and flood this section in. You can put a little squiggle in the middle if you want, and then pipe right over the top of that and fill this area in. Again, my icing is about a 15-second consistency, so I'm not worried that it's going to overflow the borders. I'll just use my scribe to shape it a little bit more and smooth it all out. And you might have noticed that I went a little out of order. When I was showing you the projector image of the question marks, the blue cap had already been piped, but I changed the way that I did things, and so here's the blue cap being piped now. And then while we wait for that to dry, we can pipe the line at the side of the bottle. So I'm using my pink icing for this, and it's about a 20-second consistency. I'm just going to touch down, lift up my piping bag, touch down at the other end, and then turn and make the little line. I'm going to eyeball about the middle and place another little line. Touch down with your icing, squeeze just a tiny bit, stop squeezing, and lay your little line down. If you have any start or stop bumps, you can fix that with your scribe or your toothpick. And once the icing for your cap has set up a little bit, you can come back in with your peep, pink icing and pipe in the rest of the baby bottle top. Just outline the top and then go ahead and flood it in. Again, my icing is a 15-second consistency. And if you don't know how to make a 15-second icing consistency, I'll link that in the description as well. You can use that for just about everything. And as always, if you need to scribe it, use your scribe or your toothpick and settle that icing down and get it out to the corners. And then this little sweet cookie is done. I think mom and baby are just going to absolutely love it. And if you want to learn how to make all of the cookies in this set, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single video drop. So, any guesses? Do you think the baby's going to be a boy or a girl? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.